everyone, it's LaSalle
And I'm Jason.
from Rally Innovations. I'm here with our 2017 Subaru Crosstrek in my favorite color, quartz blue pearl. We're going to show you how we build our Overland type vehicles in a progression that suits your budget.
As official field tester for the Overland build, I've been tasked with taking you with each of the upgrades and letting you know with honest feedback how they'll perform on your car, both on and off the road.
So at any time during the series, feel free to stop or keep going until you build your ultimate trek. So now that we have our basic lighting setup, we're going to start off with some basic and essential upgrades to get this trek ready to drive on some beginner and intermediate trails. Since a majority of our driving is still on the pavement, we wanted a tire that can perform well on the pavement, on the trails, as well as in the snow during our boarding season. And what better choice than the Falken Wildpeak AT trail tires?
We found these tires to work well in our previous 2019 Crosstrek build in all conditions. Quiet on the street and gives you the confidence both on and off the road. Falken also did their homework with their tire sizes. They offer OE sizes as well as +1 or +2 for those that are looking to go more extreme.
To complement the more aggressive look of the Wildpeaks, we partnered up with Gear Off-Road and chose their 17x8 Pangea wheels in bronze.
The extra width of these wheels and the lower offset versus the 17x7 stock wheel provides a more aggressive stance and gives the Wildpeaks a better contact patch with less ballooning of the sidewall. In addition to the cool aesthetic of the Pangeas, the wheels are also dual drilled along with a center cap that hides the unused bolt pattern that gives the look of a vehicle-specific fitment, making the wheels versatile and stylish.
And what good is traction with our new setup if we don't have the proper braking power? We called on our longtime industry partner, R1 Concepts, for their advice on what rotors and pads would work well with our Overland build.
What they recommended was their carbon GEOMET slotted rotors along with their Optimum series pads. This is a popular combination for those that are looking for added performance that won't break the bank.